Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at their 4th of July stuff, guys. So here, I'm noticing they have a windmill. So they have this kind right here. And they have this one here that says Home of the Brave. Let's see if they have another kind. They have this one, Let Freedom Ring. That's really pretty, guys. These are really nice. I don't think I noticed these last year. And that one says Celebrate with the bicycle. That's really nice, guys. So then they have these baseball caps down here. Okay, so you have that kind, and then you have that kind back there. Then you have the flag and this one. That's really nice. Then you have some of these tinsel garlands. Then you have these decorative bows, guys. And then you have this kind here. And that kind over there, this one here with the, well, this is a headband, I'm sorry. And then here's some foam table scatter. And guys, look, this is a flag that says Let Freedom Ring. So that's really nice. Let's come over here and see what they have. Okay, so over here, oh, look at these. So they have these socks. Look how pretty those socks are, guys. Those are nice. And then they have this kind right here. Wow, those are so cute. So here you have the necklaces with connectors, okay, 3-piece. Then you have your straws, your paper straws, and the blue, the red, and here are the stripes, guys. So here are the small bracelet connectors with connectors. So those are the glow sticks. Okay, here you have the glow sticks with lanyards, and then here you have the bracelets, guys. So those are the glow sticks with the lanyards, and then down there you have the necklaces with the connectors. Okay, so here you have some more. These are iridescent straws, the paper straws though. So you have all those kind right there. Then you have these lays, guys. Aren't they beautiful? They're so pretty. Then you have, look, they have the tablecloth in plastic for 4th of July in this design and in that design. Then here are your paper plates and your napkins, guys, and those two designs right here. That's pretty neat. And then they have these big oval ones, guys. Look at this big star. They have these big oval ones. These are really nice for the barbecue. And then here are the party hats. So you have them in red, blue, and this kind. And then you have, these are the paper trays. So those are really nice. Then you have the mini hats. Okay, and you have all of those on the way up. Then you have bunting. So you have plenty of those. And then you have, here's some more paper trays in that design. So here you have, guys, the hanging, the wall hangings, and you have this one that says USA. Then you have this one over here that says I love USA, Home of the Brave, and 4th of July. And this one says USA, guys, with the burlap. Then here you have the flip-flops right here. Then here, look at the tag, guys. This one is a tag, says USA, and this one says Love USA. That's a heart-shaped tag. Then you have some window clings, and here's some garland, guys. Here's some fans. Aren't they cute? You could put that in your bag. And then here are the flags right here, and here's a banner, guys. Then here's some balloons, and then here's a star shape tinsel star. Okay, and then down here, okay, down here you have party toppers, and then look how huge these bowls are, guys, for like chips and dip. Isn't that nice? I mean chips. Can't put dip in there. Chips. And then you have these little stars down here. Look at the plates. These are iridescent, guys. And they DIYs with those. Look at the iridescent blue. This is a beautiful color, guys. So they have the star paper plates, and then they have the stars in blue, in red, white, and blue right here. Then they have these plastic cups, Land of the Free, and they have them in this red right here too. Then they have the buckets, guys. You see the buckets? The tin buckets. And they have them in the flag kind all the way back here. See them? And that kind. So then they have the drinking plastic cups, guys. They have these. This one says Stars and Stripes, and this one says USA. Then they have these stars as table decoration. That's really pretty. I don't think I noticed that last year. So And then they have the little wings, guys, and the 4th of July. So this is the area, guys. Look at these. They even have stakes for outside. The solar stakes. Aren't they nice? That I never noticed. And then, of course, they have the roses over there in red, white, and blue. So, guys, that's what they have. This is our little section here for 4th of July. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their 4th of July stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.